Okay students, so let's go to the next topic. I will ask you few questions which are given in your textbook. You have to think that whatever we studied in our chapter, according to that, arrange a discussion in a classroom that is it possible to administer the country without the government? Is it possible to administer a country without government? No, it is not possible. Yes or no? So I say no, it is not possible. What happened? If you don't have teacher in the classroom, then what happened? Every student will run here and there and they do anything whatever they. So same way it happened with our nation also. If government is not there, then people will do whatever they want to do. They doesn't have the fear of any rules and regulation. And mention any two decisions taken by the government. Did you think those decisions and why? You have to mention any two decisions taken by the government. Nowadays we can say that government has did for the farmers good thing. They had given some fund to the poor farmers and the poor. So this is one of the decisions of the government. And do you like those decisions and why? You can give your own opinion, you can give your own things, what decisions you knew about the government and why, how it is used, that decision. How is the country administered? How is the country administered? That we study about the different level of the government and the importance of the government. So how it is administered. Now come to the next point, the government at different level. Government at different level. So as we already discussed in this, that government are of three levels, that is one is local, state and central level. So government is responsible for providing various facilities in different field. Different field, that means various facilities in different field. That means in for productivity of agriculture, for research, and the different in education field in our country. That is not important that in one field if we are very forward, then it is okay for us. No, government should work. It is government responsibility to provide facilities in various field. Okay, different field. How does the government arrange for all this? How does government arrange for all this? How they do this? India is a vast country. That means India is a very big country. How is it works? If one organization can easily administer, if the administration was centralized, suppose there is no different like sectors and only one centralized government, is it possible to administer it properly? Many problems would arise. No, it is not possible that if India is a very big country, huge country, so it is not possible that if we having a centralized authority and it only they can manage all the states. There will be so many different problems should arise. So will cause inconvenience to the citizens with the inconvenience. People will face so many problems and they doesn't feel secure and they having so many complaints. So it is inconvenient for the citizens. Therefore our government works at different level, local level, state level and national level, as we had discussed. Okay, so government have to work. That's why government, it is not easily managed with the help of only a centralized government. So that's why there are three different levels, that is local level, state level and national, that means central level. Okay, so local level government is concerned with the affairs of the village and cities. Local level work is engaged with any problem related to the villages, yes, or city, that is engaged with the local level. And that local level government is concerned with the affairs of the village and cities. State level government is deal with the matter at the state. State level will deal with all the matters and all the like any kind of problem, any kind of solution if the citizens of the state need it, then it is the responsibility of the state level. They are going to work upon that. Now come to the next one, that is a national level. National level is responsible, the government at the national level is responsible for work related to the entire nation. The national level government's responsibility is to work for the entire nation, that means the whole country. They have to engage with different level and they have to collect that information and they have to work for whole nation. That is the responsibility of national level government. Okay, so you have already studied in about local level in your last last class. Okay, so now we are going to study about the state government in next unit. It is the next class you will learn about the national government, the central government, national government, that we can also say central government. Okay, that means union government. It is mentioned as three different name, that is central level, national level and union level government. Okay, so now the government and laws. Yes, law and government, they have a bonding, they have a relation with each other. Government make the laws. So let's come to this topic. Government frames laws and they must be obeyed by all citizens. Yes, our government makes laws and this is ours as per a citizen of our nation. This is our responsibility to follow these laws and obey the laws made by our government. Law and order is very important for the proper functioning of the government. Law and order, that means whatever laws made, we have to follow it according to the order. It is very important for functioning a proper government. The government has the authority to make as well as implement laws. Government have the authority to make laws as well as to implement the laws. It is not only like we studied in first paragraph also, that it is not only important that to make law is it done everything. It is not a solution. Making law is as important. More than it, that is very important that people have to implement that. So it is government responsibility to make law as well as to make the people to implement the laws. Let us take an example. Okay, so you must have a ticket while traveling by train. If you are caught traveling without a ticket, what happen? If you are traveling in a train, you have to buy a ticket. If you don't have ticket, what happen? You caught without ticket, you have to entire pay a penalty or go to the jail. That means if you don't follow these rules and if you are not following, so what happen? If you caught without ticket, you have to pay penalty or you have to go jail. So this is the punish. Yes, if you are not going, this is the thing that how government make people to implement this law. If you have the fear of going jail or have to pay penalty, what do? You buy ticket and then you travel. So that is the thing how government make the people to implement these laws. Okay, so even though the government may work lawfully, even though government make and work lawfully, in case citizens feel that laws are not being executed properly, government is working very well and they are making law for the people, but even though people feel that government is not executed, not working properly, they have the right to raise their voice or even go to the court. If people are feeling that government is not doing well job and not working properly, then people, that means the citizen have the right to go and complain about that. They can raise their voice. Okay, they can protest and or even go to the court. They can also go to the court. The court can order the government to take appropriate measures and then the court will order the government to work properly and want them to do proper measurements, appropriate measurement on that related any kind of work. Okay, so we had discussed about the train traveling as the same way making law. That means we all know that wearing helmet or we having the license is very important to drive vehicles. Yes, but what happens, sometimes people doesn't wear and they don't taking that much seriously this thing. Then what government did to implement this law, they had started taking penalty, yes, or taking their vehicles away. So people are now following these rules and regulation because they have the fear. So that's why they are implementing these laws. Okay, so now arrange a discussion. Why can one not use loudspeaker in the public place at night? Like when we celebrate Navratri, you know that after 12 o'clock, that is not the permission is not granted to having that speakers and yes, loud music. Why? Because there is a rules that in public places people can't use loudspeakers after 10 o'clock. Okay, so why can one not burst crackers on the road? Why it's not allowed to brush crackers on the road? That you have to mention, you have to research on it. What would happen if there was no timetable in a school? What happened? Everything will be collapsed. No, nothing will happen according to like no series. Any time any teacher will come and ask you, and anything you don't have books, yes, not proper timing, and you will without bell you will go home. So timetable is very necessary. Why are laws framed? Why laws are framed? Laws are framed to make law and order and peace in the country, and make the laws and make the people implement that. Okay. Now organs of the government. Yes, now we studied about the level of the government. Now come to the organs of the government. Okay, so organs of the government, you must have realized that the organization responsible for the proper functioning of the country is known as a government. Like government is not a single person, it is a group of people, it is an organization. Yes, that is why it is a responsible with the all the people. So that's why it's said that organization responsible for the proper functioning. All together are responsible for working properly, function the work properly for the country is known as government. Okay, so therefore the government is an essential organ of a nation. The government is an essential organ of a nation. It is very important for the nation. Government is a very important organ. Like we say, no, in our bodies, some organs are very important to live. Same way for the nation, government is a very important organ. Okay, and has to perform various functions. They have to perform various functions. They have to work for different topics and different situations. The government frames act and laws and ensure that proper execution. This is government's duty to frame different acts and laws and ensure that proper execution. That every laws and acts which made by the government are going properly, people are implementing, and government is doing on the right direction or not. It sees to it that the law is suitably interpreted and implemented, and also ensure that justice is done. That government had to make sure that whatever the rules and made and the work done by the government is doing welfare for the citizen. That means for the people of the country, and to also ensure that justice is done to everyone. The three, that it's not like good that one person is getting the judgment and another is not. So it is very important to give justice to everyone with the help of these laws and implementing the laws. These three arms of the government are to legislate, execute, and impart justice. Okay, so as we discuss about like legislative assembly, legislative, so how it works, like these three arms, these are the three arms, like government are to legislate, execute, and impart. Okay, so the arms that frames laws is known as the legislator. Those who are framing these laws, that is known as a legislator, which comprises in Vidhan Sabha, that is related to the Vidhan Sabha. And that which executes the law is called, those who are making these laws execute, follow, that is called executive. That arm which works towards the executes is known as executive. Okay, those who are following these rules, that is called executive. The arm which works towards the implementation of justice. Those who, like suppose if any disputes between two families and they get the judgment from the court, that kind of implementation of judgment is known as the judiciary, and it takes action against offenders. That means those who did wrong or those who are in fault, they will get they are the offenders, so they will get the strict action against them. Now